Hello, I'm in a 2020 Toyota Camry, and today I'm going to show you to connect your phone Bluetooth to your vehicle's interface. So first you want to make sure the vehicle's turned on. Wait just a moment for everything to load. In the meantime, make sure your device is turned on and something like that blue symbol is highlighted. Typically, to get to your Bluetooth menus, you would just hold it and it'll open. And it should look something kind of similar to this. At which point everything's booted, so you can from here go to select phone is one way to get to your phone options. And then here we're going to add, and then it already found this phone, which that's what we want. And then from your device you want to make sure you're scanning. And while your phone's scanning, you want to also have your vehicle in search mode, which here we go at the bottom. We're going to pair after you'd selected the vehicle. Yep, right there, the Toyota Camry. And that should be it. It shows it's connected. You can connect your phone book if desired. That'll make it easier for taking calls as you drive. You can play music, things like that through your car. Sometimes you can also connect to like navigation of your maps and things connected as well. But that's it. And then another way to get to all your settings is through some of these others, like audio, the source. You can click through to like your phone's Bluetooth. That's how you listen to music from your phone. That sort of thing. And then there's the phone button here as well. That gets you to the phone screen where you can add devices, delete devices, whatnot. And most vehicles have a limit to how many phones can be paired in the memory before you have to delete devices. So you might have to also do that, delete a device before you can add a new phone. But otherwise, I hope this video was helpful and hope you have a wonderful day. And also, sometimes it takes a few tries on these, just as a heads up. And sometimes you have to be parked in your vehicle before it'll let you sync all the way. But otherwise, that's it.